All right, so now that we've covered the day trader and advanced day trader, swing trader, and the advanced swing trader, and the day trading hybrid and the advanced day trading hybrid, now let's finish off with the last major personality, which is the swing trading hybrid and the advanced swing trading hybrid. So just like the day trading hybrid, we're merging day trading and swing trading together. But you saw in the day trading hybrid that it was still predominantly day trading. It was still focused on day trading because we're trading the pullbacks, we're trading the runs, just like a day trader would. The only difference was we have a different target placement, right? Well, a swing trading hybrid is also a blend of swing trading and day trading. This is one of my very favorite personalities, but to tell you the truth, I think every single one of these personalities is epic and extremely, extremely good. Doesn't matter which one you choose, but the swing trading hybrid is, again, it's one that I like a lot, but I mean, I like every single one of them. But the swing trading hybrid, again, is predominantly swing trading with also adding day trading positions on top of it. So the main difference is from a swing trader to a swing trader hybrid, right? The swing trader focuses on the daily runs, right? And you can execute it either on the higher time frames like a swing trader or on the lower time frames like an advanced swing trader, right? The hybrid now comes in is that we're adding day trades on top of it. But where do the day trades come in? The day trades come in on the exact same daily run. So we first executed, we analyze it the same way. We execute the swing trade first, right? Whether it's a normal swing trade or an advanced swing trader, right? So we execute the position as a swing trader would first, whichever swing trading personality you choose. And then once the position is moving and it presents a day trading opportunity on top of it, we also enter the day trade on top. So that's the quick explanation. Let's jump on the chart so I can actually show you the visuals to it and break it down in more detail. So when we're looking at the time frames here, this is the previous position. This was the 22% profit, the ridiculous 22% profit that a day trading hybrid personality would capture, right? Now we looked at the same position from a swing trading point of view, right? So let's do a quick, just a refresher. A swing trader enters at 0.32 on a daily chart, target is the same, and stop loss is right there, right? So we're making about 6.5%. Right, so that's the swing trader. The swing trader, the advanced swing trader personality, the entry was more over here, right? We're entering based on the 1 hour breakdown, right? Roughly right here, like on the 1 hour breakdown. Tight stop loss above the 1 hour high, so that's where it differs, right? The swing trader to advanced swing trader differs on the entry and the stop loss. Target is the same. Right, so our target is at 33, I believe it was 30.5, right, for 10% profit. So a swing trader, advanced swing trader, makes 10% on it, right? A day trader hybrid made 22, but let's remove that for a second, right? So now we have two positions. We have either the day trader approach, right? So this is where we choose. We first got to decide to be either a day trader hybrid or an advanced day trader hybrid. The difference is, well, a day trader hybrid executes the initial swing position like this. An advanced, or sorry, a swing trading hybrid, right? A swing trading hybrid executes the position like this on a daily chart, right? Catching the daily wave. Stop loss is placed on the daily chart. Entry is also on the daily chart, and the target is on the daily chart. An advanced swing trader, right? The entry is on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour breakdown. The stop loss is on the 1 hour chart above the 1 hour highs, but the target is also based on the daily chart, okay? Because we're catching the daily run. So the difference between the swing trader and advanced swing trader is 6.55 to 10.7, okay? A swing trader hybrid, right, is executing with this approach as a swing trade and adding a day trade on top of it. So I'm gonna delete this for now, right? So what do I mean by adding a day trade? Well, we had a day trader over here as well, right? So as a swing trader, you would already be in pretty much from the highs with this swing trading entry right here. Okay, so you're already in, you're catching 6.5%. The hybrid is that we're also day trading the same run. Okay, the reason why we're doing the same run is because that's the most powerful run. Okay, the runs are much more powerful than pullbacks. So in addition to that swing trade for 6.5%, we're also making a really quick day trade, right? Catching, this is a daily run. Okay, so we're using the 1 hour target placement for this. This is a 1 hour wave 3 and it's a daily run. So we don't have to go safe on our targets just like a day trader would, right? This is a daily run. So we can use our maximum day trading target based on the 1 hour wave 3 run as this is. So this is a 1 hour wave 3 run. So we use our optimal target for that 1 hour wave placement, right? So this is the hybrid. This is the swing trading hybrid. What that means is that we first execute this position and then we take a quick day trade on top of it, right? So the swing position runs, the day trade, then we, in a few days, right, we execute the day trade runs and we manage this just like we would manage our day trade. Target is hit, right? And as this target is hit, we make 6.5%. And this position, the target was hit right there for the day trade, and the swing position is still running for another 6.5% for a total of about 13%, right? So that's the swing trading hybrid. All of a sudden you just made 13% and that's 6.5, right? That's the difference. Because on top of that swing trade, because swing trades focus on such good higher time frame setups, that's the beauty of swing trading. With swing trading, you're looking at really good higher time frame analysis. That's why the day trading hybrid is so powerful, because you're adding that longer term vision into it, right? From a swing trading approach and executing it like a day trader with that swing trading target. That's why the day trading hybrid is so powerful, because of the higher time frame bias. That's why it's so powerful, because we know the longer term picture, right? A swing trader hybrid, right, is also powerful because of that same reason, right? Because the higher time frames are so good, so we execute it with a swing trade, but because it's so powerful, we can also take a quick day trade on top of it. It's called a scale-in position. We're scaling in with another day trading entry for a quicker profit, and we bank that profit, and then we let the swing trade run, right? And in this case, it's a total of 13%. So that's how a swing trading hybrid was executed. What about an advanced swing trading hybrid? How would that be executed with the same position? Let's have a look, right? So an advanced swing trading hybrid would not take this trade, right? They would not execute this position, right? But they would be looking at the same entry, but they will be executing that advanced swing trading approach, which was this entry, right? So you would roughly execute it kind of on this breakdown, right? You have your stop loss above the highs, you have your target at 30.5, right? But on top of it, as the swing position runs, you also take the day trade, right? So that's the advanced swing trading hybrid. That's literally what it is. An advanced swing trading hybrid is we execute the advanced swing trade first, right? Not the regular swing trade. We execute the advanced swing trade first, right? Which in this case, it's 10.7%. It's a little bit higher than the regular swing trade. And on top of it, we scale in with a day trading opportunity if it presents itself. And in this case, the day trading opportunity was a CBO for 6.5%, targeting that 1 hour wave, as the swing trade is targeting the daily wave instead. And the total profit of this is 10.5 plus 6.5, we're at 11 plus 6 is 17%, right? So you can see how every single trading personality, you can kind of blend them together, right, if you want, right? So that's what a swing trading hybrid looks like, and this is what an advanced swing trading hybrid looks like. That's where they differ, right? So the hybrid for a swing trader is adding the day trade or scaling in with a day trade on top of that swing trade. That's really what makes it so powerful again. And it's another beautiful and extremely powerful approach that you can pick from, right? You have a few now: day trader, advanced day trader, swing trader, advanced swing trader, day trader hybrid, and advanced day trader hybrid, swing trader hybrid, and advanced swing trader hybrid. Every single one of those plays, personalities can be extremely mechanical, can have extremely great returns because of the way they're structured, right? And you can just choose whichever one you prefer, whether it's day trading or swing trading. You can start off there. Maybe if you're a beginner, if you're a rookie, just pick one approach, day trading or swing trading, right? Whatever fits your lifestyle. And then if you want, add the advanced option to it or not. And when you're ready, move on to the hybrid approach of that personality. So if you choose the day trader or the advanced day trader, eventually you can move on to the day trading hybrid or the advanced day trading hybrid. Same thing if you choose swing trader or the advanced swing trader. Eventually you can move on to a swing trader hybrid or the advanced swing trader hybrid to maximize on your returns, right? So obviously the hybrid personalities, whether it's the day trader hybrid or the swing trader hybrid, are more advanced. Why? Because you need to know two styles of trading. You need to know swing trading and how to do proper higher time frame analysis, right? For the hybrid approach to actually work, it's extremely important, right? Whereas with day trading, you don't need to do that. You just need to know what the daily chart is doing for tomorrow, right? And yeah, that's kind of it. I kind of lost track of what I was saying there, but that's the beauty of all these various personalities, and it's really up to you which one you choose. And I would highly recommend you kind of start off with one. You just start off with wherever you're at, right? With whatever you're most comfortable with, and you already know based on the previous season performance review, you already know what kind of trading style you're familiar with, right? And what you prefer. And this is where you choose which trading style you really prefer, right? So that's kind of it for the swing trader and the swing trader hybrid. Let's kind of review real quick, right? Just a quick summary of the swing trader hybrid approach and the advanced swing trader hybrid approach. So the advanced swing trader, right? You first find the swing trade, right? You find the swing opportunity, and the advanced swing trader executes it on the 1 hour chart. So first you execute the swing trade with the SBO strategy, right? And if a day trade presents itself on that same run, you also take the day trade on top of it, right? You merge the two personalities together. So that's the advanced swing trade. And the regular swing trade hybrid is, again, very simple, very straightforward, where you execute the swing trade based on the daily chart. Everything is based on the daily chart. And as this swing trade is running, you also take the day trade on top of it for a quick 6%. That's it. Really, that's it. So now you know the day trading personality, the advanced day trading personality, swing trading and advanced swing trading, day trading hybrid and advanced day trading hybrid, swing trading hybrid and advanced swing trading hybrid. There's a lot of information in this lesson already. We're going to take it a little bit farther. So now let's talk about risk profile.